I can sing, all is mine, yet not I, but through Christ in me.
The night is dark, but I am not forsaken. For by my side, the Savior, He will stay. I labor on in weakness and rejoicing, for in my need, His power is displayed.
To this I hold, my shepherd will defend me. Through the deepest valley He will lead. All the night has been won, and I shall overcome, yet not I, but through Christ in me. I know I am forgiven. The future sure, the price has been paid. For Jesus bled and suffered for my pardon, and He was raised to overthrow the grave. To this I hold, my sin has been defeated. Jesus now and ever is my plea. All the chains are released, I can sing, I am free, and not I, but to Christ in me. Every breath I long to follow Jesus, for He has said that He will bring me home. And day by day I know He will renew me, until I stand with joy before the throne. To this I hope, my hope is only Jesus. All the glory evermore to Him. When the grace is complete, still my lips shall repeat, and not I, but to Christ in me. When the race is complete, to Him. When the race is complete, still my lips shall repeat, yet not I, but to Christ in me.
When the race is complete, still my lips
shall repeat, yet not I, but to Christ in me. Yet not I, but through Christ in me. Yet not I, but through Christ in me.
Tôi ba mình chân này hiện tại